Alright, here I am in the living room. We have a blizzard outside. Snow's coming down sideways, so I'm about to go outside and see if you can see the change in conditions. Here's some snow. There's a light. It's coming down. There's my father's car. The for sale sign. Here's a snowdrift in the middle of the road. Yeah, it's coming down out here. Oh, here comes a plow truck. Yep, that's the plow truck. Coming down the road, plowing snow.
I wasn't sure if you saw the plow.
I saw it. Alright. And
what's your mother doing?
Getting her boots on. And this is it. Coming down heavy out here. Here's the snow. Street sign. Snow coming at the camera. That looks pretty cool, huh? Alright. And I will see you later, Jen. Love you.